Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. There is nothing new to speak. US market fell a little bit. S&P 500, after shooting up so much to all-time high, it has fallen only 4 or 5 points. But the GIFT Nifty is indicating about 40-50 points lower. And now the Nifty is struggling to close above 24,600. But at the same time, Nifty is also not falling. So 24,300 to 24,600 is such a tight range. So in this tight range, the market has been trading for more than a week. And from 23,800 to 24,600. So in this range only, Nifty has been trading for more than a month. So that is the picture. And as usual, sometimes, some good news from Iran, some bad news from Iran, sometimes crude oil prices fall, sometimes crude oil rises, so that uncertainty continues. The gold has shot up nearly 10% in the last 1 week or 10 days, right? So the gold price going higher is actually good for the stock market because, gold price going higher because the people are expecting no rate hike in US. Or they're expecting lower inflation in US. So that is the reason why the gold prices is going higher. So that is actually overall good for the world markets. And Nifty, in the last 1 week is the greatest period for the options writer. What people are doing every day morning, they are taking a 24,600 short straddle and end of the day they are closing it. The next day morning again take 24,600. End of the day again they close, and this game continues for the last 1 week. And the premiums have collapsed like anything. As of yesterday, the 24,600 call and put, both put together, it is around 150 points. So that means, the people need not worry. Nifty, as long as Nifty is not falling more than 150 points, they need not worry. But right now, GIFT Nifty indicating only 40-50 points. But that also we don't know because this is only the GIFT Nifty. So when the real Nifty opens, who knows, it may be 20-30 point also, or it may be 70-80 point also, that we don't know. But looks like Nifty is not going to open more than 100 point up or down. And forget about upside. So we are not worried about upside. Now we have to worry about the downside only because the GIFT Nifty is indicating lower opening. So as long as it's not opening gap down more than 100 point, I think the people who have taken short straddle yesterday, so definitely they will be in good profit. And in the last few days, we have seen intraday selling, but uniformly end of the day, the markets recovered and, closed respectfully higher. So, smart people taking 24,600 short straddle, not only in weekly, also in monthly. I think few days before, I don't remember exactly when, the 24,600 straddle was trading around 500 points premium. So that means upper break-in is 25,100. Nothing to worry because 24,800 is going to be a resistance anyway. The downside 24,100, which is slightly risky because the support is at 24,000. So another 100 point. But of course, if the market falls, these people may sell some additional call options and they will try to collect 100 rupees, and so on. So it's not a great deal. So this month so far is a paradise for options writers. And markets are not going anywhere. Right? And now the news, I think yesterday evening I told you, the BSE is likely to replace Wipro. I think that official announcement has come. But they are like neither is Wipro, nor BSE is a index heavyweight. So, it's not going to affect Nifty more than 0.1 basis point or something like that. So there's nothing to worry. So enjoy the greatest thing about stock market. In other markets, I'm talking about the physical market. You buy a gold, price go up, you make money. Price goes down, you lose money. And there is no concept of short selling. Only in stock market, if you think that this asset will go higher, you can buy. When it goes higher, you can sell. You can make profit. And you can, if you think that the asset price will go down, you can short sell it. And then when the price comes down, you can square off, you can make profit. And the third category, if the market is not going up, not coming down, what they call it as a bunny market. So a bull market, bear market, bunny market. So if the market neither going up nor coming down, it's trading in the range, also you can make money. So go up also you can make money, go down also you make money, sideways also you can make money. But what matters is your view of the market. And I think I told you already, I've taken a huge bet. So I strongly believe Nifty is not going to fall below 23,000. So far it is holding. And so far my December options, they're all giving good profit. Right? So that is how the options market work. So I think the option traders are very, very happy, including myself. And in fact, from April, I think my trading has been going extremely well. So if the same trend continues for another 7-8 months, so probably this year will be it is the best year in my trading career. So that is how you can already see me in my face, the happy face. So let us see what's going to happen today. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.